Good morning, XRP community, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a very important topic because September is shaping up to be a decisive month for the crypto market and for XRP in particular. The focus is on the price prediction for XRP by September 1st and what artificial intelligence models are forecasting as the next move. At the moment, XRP is holding at $2.91 after recovering slightly from $2.87 earlier today. Ethereum is at 4,603, close to 4,300, while Bitcoin is trading at 113,000 near the 114,000 mark. Chainlink is standing out with an 8% rally to $25.87, but most of the market is consolidating and waiting for bigger catalysts. The reason September is so critical is because of the macroeconomic backdrop. The Federal Reserve has not yet announced a rate cut, and all eyes are on the September timeline. The release of the FOMC minutes today and Jerome Powell's upcoming remarks will guide expectations, but we are at a clear inflection point. If the Fed moves forward with cuts, liquidity could return and risk assets like crypto could rally. If the Fed delays, the market may remain under pressure. Against this uncertainty, artificial intelligence models are stepping in with forecasts that many traders are watching closely. According to Feinball's prediction tool, which uses ChatGPT, XRP is expected to reach $3.28 by September 1st. That would imply about a 9% increase from a reference price of just above $3 and closer to a 15% rally from current levels around $2.91. Other AI models are similarly optimistic. ChatGPT's fourth-generation model forecasts XRP at $3.15. Grok projects $3.25. Claude predicts $3.45. The average forecast among these models points to XRP trading around $3.25 at the start of September. This optimism is not happening in isolation. On-chain data shows that whales accumulated around 900 million XRP in August, representing about $2.7 billion in value. This accumulation suggests that large holders are positioning ahead of major events in the coming months. Ripple is still awaiting a decision on its application for a U.S. banking license, expected in October, and the SEC has once again postponed decisions on spot ETF applications until that same month. While these are technically October catalysts, traders see September as the prelude to a much bigger wave of news that could shape XRP's future. Beyond speculation, XRP's ecosystem is also gaining traction. Its Ethereum virtual machine sidechain has surpassed 105,000 in total value locked, demonstrating that developers and projects are beginning to build around XRP infrastructure. This kind of adoption supports the long-term case for XRP beyond price action, even as traders focus on the short-term predictions. The legal situation with the SEC also continues to create noise. Many headlines suggested that the Ripple versus SEC case was finally closed, but in reality that is not the case yet. The SEC and Ripple jointly requested that the Court of Appeals dismiss the lawsuit, but the Second Circuit still needs to approve and formally close the matter. Until that happens, uncertainty lingers, and the price of XRP remains capped by the lack of finality. Traders are cautious because until the appeal process ends, regulatory clarity is not fully secured. So what can we take from these forecasts? On the one hand, AI models are consistently projecting gains for XRP over the next few weeks, with targets clustering between $3.15 and $3.45. That reflects optimism driven by whale accumulation, ecosystem growth, and the expectation that the Fed will eventually deliver rate cuts. On the other hand, risks remain. If the Fed delays cuts further or signals hawkishness, crypto could face more pressure. If the SEC appeal drags on, institutional adoption may be slowed. And if ETF approvals are delayed once again in October, it could cap upside momentum. For now, XRP remains stable around $2.91, showing resilience despite broader volatility. The next catalyst will likely be the FOMC minutes and Powell's remarks, followed by how markets position going into September. The AI forecasts provide a roadmap, but they are not certainties. Markets are driven by sentiment, liquidity, and unexpected news. Still, the convergence of multiple AI models around the $3.25 mark is a signal that traders are watching closely. What do you think? Will XRP actually hit the AI target of $3.28 by September 1st? Or do you expect a different outcome? Do you believe whale accumulation and ecosystem growth will outweigh the uncertainty of regulation and Fed policy? Share your predictions in the comments with the hashtag XRP. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss daily updates. And if you found this analysis helpful, hit the like button because it really supports the channel and helps this community grow. The coming weeks will be crucial for XRP, and together we will follow every development shaping the future of crypto markets.